Hi everyone, I'm Mike Gubby. That's a tangled mess. This is dangerous and unsafe, and I'm going to show you how we've motorised this entire property. We've just retrofitted, I think, 13 roller blind motors down on the peninsula. Chain drives that we had were the Rollies chain drives, and we'll show you a photo of exactly what they look like. We're able to take these chain drives away, make the property safe, complete the full automation, and have this beautiful retrofit outcome. All right, Ian, come on, mate. I know we've got an unfair swap to do, but you're going to give me...
You can have a few chain drives.
Oh, that pile there. And look what I give you.
Terrific.
Mate, thanks very much for coming on the video and allowing me to showcase the property. It's fantastic. What were your thoughts around the desire to sort of retrofit the roller blind motors in, like, I'm trying to hold on to this.
You've done well, yeah. No, we wanted to get rid of the chains. They were dangling down, they were damaging the wall, marking the paint, and even just to get to them, you have to get out of the chair, walk around the back of the couch and adjust it every time. Now we just push the button and eventually talk to Google and it happens.
Yeah, mate, that's going to be a much pleasing outcome. And I know that you've had a chance to sort of see me do the programming and set the blinds up. What are your thoughts about the way it's all looking together now without the chain drives?
It works really well for us. It means we can adjust both blinds together or do the whole room as one. It's really simple and easy.
Yeah, fantastic, mate. Listen, I'd love to shake your hand, but I can't. I'm going to go and put these in the ute. And thanks very much for giving us the opportunity to come and showcase the retrofitting.
Thanks for making it work.
No worries.
Cheers.
Cheers, mate.